Welcome back to TechPedia. This is Aria here, and as I promised in my last video and my Twitter handle, I'll be doing the Fitbit Versa unboxing. So here it is for you guys. This is my brand new smartwatch, which is going to be my daily driver from now onwards, along with the smartphone. So this is one of Fitbit's latest smartwatches, the Fitbit Versa. Of course, it's the Charge 3, which is the latest, I guess, latest. So this is compatible with iPhones, Android phones, and I guess Windows phones. Yes, Windows phones at all. But I don't know who even uses Windows phones. It's 2018, or rather, I guess when this video will be out is 2019. Happy New Year if it's 2019. Okay, so let's look at the health features before we move on. So it calculates your steps, distances, calories, and floors, even continuously calculates your heart rate. So it even monitors your sleep, your state on the inside. So it has some guided breathing sessions and even reminders to move. So if you're like a couch potato playing Xbox, yeah, I don't play Xbox all the time though. Xbox or PS4 or anything like that all the time, then yeah, this is gonna help you a lot. I mean, the fitness feature has 15 plus exercise modes, which include running, swimming, and yoga. I'm personally gonna use this a lot for swimming because I swim a lot. And it's uses connected GPS using your smartphone. The Fitbit Ionic has its inbuilt GPS, I guess. So, and this also has cardio fitness level and is water resistant for 50 meters, up to 50 meters. So that's cool. But always remember, if this, you need to take this watch out and dry it out afterwards. So it's not like Apple Watch style, but yes, you can swim a lot with it. The main reason I bought this is because it has 4+ days of battery life. Yes. My last smartwatch was the TechWatch E. It was a very good smartwatch, but the reason I returned it because it has so bad battery life. Yes, it had Android Wear, so that's the plus point of the TechWatch E, but battery life was so bad. So this has 4+ days of battery life, so this is a very compelling reason why anyone would buy this. And another good thing about this thing is you can store and play 300+ songs on this directly to your phone or something, and you can call, text, calendar, and everything. You can get alerts on your Fitbit, so you don't need to actually use your smartphone. So, well, let's do the unboxing. Well, you don't really have anything to branding over here. Some features, I told you all more features. So the pull tab over here, which I like. Out it goes. And okay, so that, oh wow, so this, if you don't know, is the Fitbit logo. Woo, wow, guys, that is the Fitbit Versa. So before we move on to that, please, I'm gonna take the starting guide right now. So this is it. So this shows what it includes your watch, your small and large bands. I love what Fitbit does. It's a charging dock. Although it's proprietary, you need to go around it. It gives you a nice stock. So you don't have, it's not like those Apple Watch or Fossil watches, which have like a small tab, like a small thing which you stick on your watch onto. But this is like a nice cradle. So it's called the charging cradle. And so just have you put on your, if you want to change the bands. So in this shows you, like, it's pinch sides to open, like have you open it, like the cradle to keep the watch, I guess. And yes, it requires a Fitbit app. And some pictures how people use it. Okay, if I just open it, so this is, I guess, the large. Yes, this is a large band, and this is the charging cradle, which I truly love. Wow, that's a long cable. Oopsie. So your watch sits on this thing and it charges. That's cool. What else do I have? So then you have a safety instructions and limited warranty booklet, which no one really reads. And wow, that's some great packaging. And that, my friends, is the Fitbit Versa. Yes, so me take this. It looks, of course, it's like a Pebble Watch, Apple Watch combination. Of course. Oops. Wow. It started. It started automatically. So that's the screen over here. I don't like the last time in the last video. I did show my iPad with the Google Home app on it, but it couldn't be seen in the video. Sorry. So yes, that's the watch. That's the heart rate sensor over here, and you know what? I'm gonna show it to you. So these are the push tabs. Film over here. So what do? You press it. You press these. They open up. You take your watch. Press it. Keep it over here, and there you go. It's perfect fit. Doesn't fall at all. There you go. And when you take it out, just release. Falls out. Perfect. Great. Super great. This doesn't come out though. Well, I won't do that. It's gonna break it. So yes, so this, my friends, is the Fitbit Versa. So it does come pre-installed with the small bands. If you're like a teenager or something, this is perfect for you. If you grow up too much or you're an adult, they do provide a large band. That's a pretty good way of doing it. So yes, I guess only one band is interchangeable. So I guess it's this one. So you take that one and put this one in. That's cool. A key over here. I mean, button over here. 2 buttons over here, and yes. But as you can totally see over here, the screen is tiny. Yes, it's tiny, but it really doesn't affect me because it gets my work done. It's gonna get my work done perfectly. So if you're new to Fitbit, this thing comes with Fitbit OS, which is Fitbit's own operating system for their line of smartwatches. And to be honest with you, it is not as good as Android Wear. So if you're really a fan of Android Wear like me, this is not a watch for you. And just say I'm a fan of Android Wear, but I don't care. Really. So this is one, like there were two couple of reasons I went for this watch. Number one being the price of $150 lid. 2, 4+ days of battery life. Excellent. It's very difficult to find a smartwatch which has 4+ days of battery life, and it is water resistant up to 50 meters. So that's it's great for me for swimming. So I swim a lot. So I swim every week. So I need a good smartwatch for swimming. So if you like me, this is the perfect smartwatch for you. Or you can just spend like $50 more and go for the Fossil Gen 4 Explorers HR, I guess. And that's a very good watch as well. It's got Android Wear. It's got a nice big dial. What I'm saying, it's a bigger screen. It's screen. It's circular. It's got great screen real estate, and it does have Android Wear, whereas the Fitbit Versa lacks Android Wear. Fitbit as a whole does not support Android Wear. It only has its own operating system. So if you do not like Fitbit's OS, or if you're new to Fitbit, not for you. But if you have been a Fitbit fan, this, my friends, is the best watch you can get at the $150 or $200 price tag, because the Ionic, I would say, is not worth that much. The Fitbit Versa, yes, it's totally worth it. So yes, guys, that was the Fitbit Versa unboxing. Hope you like this video, and make sure, if you're new to this channel and you love tech just like I do, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon, because you need a notification. TechPedia has got a new video.